Ka Ophis Trekam jong Tnad Fishery Ribhoi District Klayo ban penkut no eka District Aqua Fest R1000 R4R kabalane la lai Sngi lenter ya ka Sngi penwai no eka teka Aqua Fest la penlong haka R4 tarik Risau R1000 R4R haka ba ka Tnad Fishery Klayo ban Plie baru ya ka ying Thymmai na ka benta ka Ophis Trekam ka jongka balamang lengba na ka state scheme baru secretary jong ka Tnad Fisheries ka Sarkar Jilla USC Sadhu ulalong kumukongsan ban Plie ya kate ka Ophis Trekam haka jindon rengkat lang ka kong MA kong jliu ka officer badai pe ya ka Ribhoi district lembat kiwi di ki officer jong katanan harengkat ki kena school ki Nongri Dohkha na Ribhoi district ki balawan ban sakhilang haka te ka Sngi Hakate ka Sngi na kaliang jong Tnad Fishery kala IT ru iki work order shiki Nongri ki bala itu na ka Meghalaya State Aquaculture Barha kaju ka Sngi layo ban IT ru yaki Tylli ki Thukthuk shaki Ngut ki Nongri Dohkha naga benta bakinyo ban kit yaki Dohkha ya ka balayo jingerap lengba naga scheme Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana scheme jong usnam R1000 R4 bat R1000 R4 way balayo ru bansa miki khusnam shiki nongjob haka jingekop drodur halor kapang fish for life haka bala wan ban yeshim benta ki kena school ki bana ka thain nongpo
Aku kami tanda Sngi ka bangi inaugurate ya ka building ka palayan yang tiya kamat ka Thymmai henry itmuru kana kani ka inauguration min Thymmai ya ka rukom ai jingyarap jongi sha ki Nongri ki jongi na kani ka office kani ka district aqua fest ka jongi ha kani ka R1000 R4R ka longru ka program ka bangi lasdang la lai Sngi lenter ha ka baki kena school na Tylli ki school ki layawan man participate ha ka drawing competition fish for life haka bangi kwa bakin soto ba kilat kilenti ki bala banmi na kani ka Kamri Dohkha kaba but haka ni Sngi min I do ya ki work order na bantay ki to ki nong rep ki jongi ki bala identify hapo ka Meghalaya State Agriculture 2.0 but ru bangin sa ni kini ki two wheelers but icebox ki bala rendra ki Dohkha mo kabangi yo jingarap na ka Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana.
Immense pleasure to take part in today's inaugural program of opening of our SF office, Open of Fisheries office, and also to take part in today's Aquafest. I'm very hopeful that the new office will help the department to reach out to more farmers and also motivate our officers to work hard to improve our services to benefit more number of farmers in the district. As we also celebrate Aquafest today, and it is a very opportune moment for all of us to understand where we stand and also what is the roadmap before us to improve fisheries sector. As in the keynote address by SF, it has been clearly highlighted that we have come a long way to see fisheries as a mere recreational sector or just for nutrition, to improve the nutrition of the people, to a stage where we see fisheries sector as a sector which has a lot of potential to create employment opportunities, livelihood opportunities, and to encourage our farmers, rains and fresh water, and we have so much potential to generate fishes and to create employment opportunities.